Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not opening. The first thing I want you to try is just right clicking on the launcher and then clicking on Run as Administrator. And usually that fixes the issue and the game launcher should open up. Otherwise, what I want you to do is just right click on your start icon and then come here and click on Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens up, I want you to check and end any background processes that might exist of Rockstar Games. And then you go ahead and try reopening it again. That should fix the issue. Otherwise, I want you to just come here, hit search, and just type in Windows Security. Open this up. What I need you to do now is I want you to click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down where you see Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings, go ahead and toggle off Real-Time Protection, and then run Rockstar Games Launcher, and you can try it again. After that, after it opens up, you can go ahead and toggle it back on. The last thing I want you to try is just right-clicking right here on the start icon, clicking here on Installed Apps, and then what I need you to do is I need you to scroll all the way down until you see your Rockstar Games Launcher. So these are loading up. So here we go. I want you to just come here and click on these three dots, uninstall your Rockstar Games Launcher, and then reinstall it again. Just do a clean reinstall that usually fixes the issue and also installs the other DirectX files. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.